Just picked them two right down there, coming up along here. I matched one of them. Turns out that other side of my backpack's a left side as well, but not a match. Looks like this one. Sweet. Good deal. Yeah, that's it. Alright, keep on trucking. This was a lucky hillside today. I just put this gas line up across here too. Right down center screen here. Let's see. There it is. Got a left side. So I imagine it's the match to that other one. Gonna loop out around the hill here and get it on the way back. Alright, let's pick this thing up. Something that's got to be a match, I would assume. 3 points out down. Not sure if it is or not. Only one way to tell that, right? Alright, absolutely not a match. Not even close. That gives us more to look for. Sweet. Walking up on another one. Turned into an awesome day today. Wish they were kind of all like this. But they're not. You gotta have the bad ones to have the good ones. Kind of a cool buck. Actually spotted this one from, was I down that bottom there somewhere? I could have a spot where I could see up here. All these ones at this place still have a fair amount of wax ring left on them. So maybe they dropped late up here. Who knows?